So here we have a brief video of our Ford S-Max automatic on a 69 plate. I'll start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place. So this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. It's very easy to drop these rear ones down. Just pull the tab in the corner there and give the seat a push. Same with this side. And that is how much boot space you have as a 5-seater. You can also fold the remaining seats down, and that's even easier. Just press the buttons here. And as you can see, you get loads of room when you do that. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the Speedometer. In the middle, at the bottom, you can see that it will show you what gear this car is currently in. So we're in P for park at the moment. Directly above that, we have the total miles for this car, which are 10,661. And above that, we currently have being displayed a digital readout for the speedometer. I say currently because you can have various different bits of information there, from navigation, phone, speed, entertainment, whichever piece you want there, you can have. Similarly, on the left-hand side, where we have the trip computer, you can change that information as well. All of that information is changed using these buttons or these buttons, depending on whether you're changing that section or this section. We've also got cruise control and speed limiter over here. On the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. You can only use the phone controls after such time as you pair the phone up, which is done over on the touchscreen just here. If we go back to the home screen, you will see that we have the option for connecting a phone, and then add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow the instructions from there. This car has got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on both our website and also on our YouTube channel. If we go back to the home screen, we can access our music here. So there's various different ways in which you can listen to it. We have AM, FM and DAB radio. We have a CD player. And you can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. On top of that, there are 2 separate USB inputs. If you plug devices into those, they will appear up on here as further options for you. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll see that not only do we have parking sensors, but we have a visual guide to those parking sensors as well. Working our way down, we have the CD player and the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control. Any adjustments you make to the passenger temperature or the driver temperature or the fan speed, they are all shown on the screen as you make the adjustments. That button turns your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. To override it, just readjust the fans, and auto has now gone off. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. You can close this section over, but we have some storage here, a 12-volt charging socket, and the 2 USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. This dial will change the gears on the car. So we're in park at the moment. You've got reverse, neutral, drive, and then you can put the car into sport should you wish to, and then all the way back round to park again. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. You can turn the parking sensors on and off from here, and then we have an electronic handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.